Hi guys! Welcome again to the Mary Jumping channel. We are going to have fun with this hula hoop. I've got this exercise hoop from Amazon and we are going to unbox it today. It comes with 8 hoop segments and we are going to assemble it. The hoop segments are smooth and padded and easy to assemble. Assembly instructions. Push and hold the button down on the exercise hoop segment. Keep holding the button down while connecting it to the next exercise hoop segment. Listen for a pop sound as to ensure the segment is secured. If you did not hear the pop sound, gently twist the segments until they are secured. This hula hoop is weighted at 2 pounds. It is a fantastic workout tool that offers you the resistance you need to get more out of your workouts and is a great addition to most fitness routines. It burns more calories and get your body where you want it. You will target those abs and you'll appreciate the quality in the construction and the extra padded comfort you just won't find anywhere else. Better still, it's easily assembled and easy to use. What could be better than that? Forget boring core workouts and enjoy a better way to tone up with the Pinc active exercise hoop. Yay! Our hula hoop is now assembled and we are ready to try it. So I haven't done this for a long time, but I know this will be fun. Here we go, last try. We can do this! Woo! There you go. More.